So we got a new steering wheel here, and this is going to be getting installed on. So we got a brand new carbon fiber steering wheel, and this thing is going to get installed on the GTI today. And then we're also might be tackling the rear diffuser for this car, so we'll get into that in a little bit. And then we also got the new front lip for our broken front lip. This one only lasted like 3 days the first time, so hopefully this one lasts a little bit longer. But yeah, we also got to throw this thing on, and then we also have a dash cam that we got to throw on this car. Obviously, you guys saw we got hit by an old lady, and to prevent any issues in the future with them blaming me or vice versa, we're gonna install a dash cam just for safety purposes, and you guys will see that here in a bit as well. So a lot of stuff planned today, but hopefully we can get everything done. It is freezing out here. It's like 30 degrees. Yeah, so let's start with the steering wheel and then go from there. So yeah, this is the old steering wheel. As you can see, that we got no carbon. It's a typical leather, and then we got this fake chrome trim here, but this is the new one. So just like comparison, this is the major difference. What I do like about your stock one, it still has that D shape, but this one is a little bit more aggressive. Yeah. But yeah, this thing's gonna look a lot nicer in the car. Honestly, it's always fun doing stuff like this because you never know the issues that you're gonna run into. And so far, this has been the hardest part. It's been trying to get this bezel off, which is just stuck in with clips, and like not trying to damage it while you're removing it, because most people are gonna need this piece again. We don't, so we're not too careful with it, but even then, like small stuff like this always adds time to the install for some reason. Come on, how you feeling?
Feels great.
So we got majority of everything kind of torn apart. As you can see, we got our bezel, our buttons, paddle shifters off. We're gonna start replacing everything onto the new one. But yeah, for the most part, this is a pretty simple job. Like, it doesn't take too many like tools or anything like that. You can do it at home if you really want to. As you can see, we're just using trash cans as our table. But yeah, now we got a gutted steering wheel.
That's it?
Yeah, just toss that joint right there.
Like,
actually, no, go ahead and sell that joint and buy some coilovers.
That's what I'm saying. Like,
slowly put them on so the wire will sit properly.
That looks really good.
Hold on. So first up, we got the little.
We got everything back in. Got the little trim assembly on. What is that?
Blacked out VW badge.
Oh wow, you're fancy, bro.
Yo,
you're fancy. Where'd you get that from? eBay?
AliExpress.
It came with the kit?
No,
it came separate?
$5.
Are you sponsored?
Yo, they should sponsor me, honestly. This car's about to be Alibaba'd out. Hold on.
Temu build goes crazy. And then
sideways. Huh? Put it sideways.
Okay.
That's actually, I'm glad you ordered that too, because that's a nice little touch.
Yeah.
So that, and then where's your other little sticker? We got the little GTI badge. So if you guys don't know, last time we installed this front lip on the G80, it lasted literally 3 days. We put it on I think on a Friday, and we were driving up to some car meet on a Sunday night, and hit a tow strap on the highway, and just ripped off the complete centerpiece. So that's what we actually have today. We don't have a full lip because we don't need it. We have our front centerpiece. So we're gonna open this thing up and get this installed today, so at least we don't look like a janky G80 owner who can't afford a new front lip. This is all double-sided tape, but some strong tape.
Here you go. Or wire. There you go.
Got it. And then same thing on this side. Come on, buddy.
Give that gladiator mindset then.
Yo, that's actually strong.
Do it again.
Alright, let's throw the new one on. I don't think I'm gonna bolt it, so that way if I do hit something again, it could just break off completely. But yeah, this is a new one right here.
Alright, drop this.
Honestly, shout out to Horizon because I messaged them and they sent me out a new piece, and they were kind enough to just send me out the centerpiece. So this was significantly cheaper than having to buy the whole thing, and he still gave me a discount as well, which was nice. So shout out to them for looking out always. But now we got a brand new centerpiece, and we'll have the final look on the car. Is it just me or it looks different? Let's see.
Maybe the wrong one.
No, we're good. Done.
All right. Let's go.
All right.
At least I had a break a couple of.
That would actually be heartbreaking. I don't know if they heard you.
Probably not.
Okay, I'll say it again. Let me show you how to break a front lip. First, what you're gonna do is.
Honestly, it feels good to have a front lip again. That looks so much better. But yeah, it is a little bit cold, so I'm not sure how well the adhesive on the tape is sticking, but it looks pretty firm because it's moving the entire bumper. So that's nice to see. So should be good. Now we can throw this thing off the driveway and start. Actually, no, we need to install our dash cam. So honestly, after the accident, I want to make sure I don't run into a situation again where it's he says, she says. So we got a dash cam, and this thing records the front of the car, the rear of the car, and inside the cabin. So any hooligan stuff that is happening in the car, we can see too. So we're gonna go ahead quickly install this thing. And then is there anything else that we need to do?
Sticker.
Oh yeah, so we got new stickers, Iqbal Motoring Company, and these are gonna go on all the group cars. So
The OGs.
it's gonna go on my car, it's gonna go on the Supra, it's gonna go on the GTI, it's gonna go on the big truck, the M4. Everyone's car is gonna have an Iqbal Motoring sticker. Let's go ahead and do the dash cam first. Should be a pretty simple process. And for anyone wondering, this is from Redtiger. I've seen them on TikTok a bunch, and the quality looks absolutely amazing. So I went with this one just because they sent it out and they asked me to do an install. So we'll see how it goes, but should be rather simple. Wasn't bad at all, but we got the dash cam installed, I think within an hour or so, maybe even less. Like I said, easy install process. This company, I think Redtiger, they had the wiring super simplified. So we got the dash cam sitting right there. All the wiring is fished up through the headliner, through the pillars, and even all the way to the rear. So as you can see, we got our rear camera there as well. And I'll show you guys how it looks. We got a front view, rear view, and the cabin view. So super hyped about this. I wish I had this when we got stuck in the accident, but it is what it is. And now we're done. We got these two idiots up here, but now we just gotta kind of clean up everything here because we made a mess. Now that we have everything done, we worked on the Jetta. We worked on the GTI. We got my front lip on. We got the dash cam on. We were gonna tackle parts of the E30 and get the front bumper dialed in. As you can see, we took that apart, but not today. It is really cold out. My hands are freezing. It's, I think, 29 degrees or something like that. So yeah, we're gonna call it here, head inside, warm up. But I think for today's video, this is gonna be it. Luckily, we got a lot done. Not enough, but it is what it is. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. Little final piece to the video. We got our Iqbal Motoring stickers going on to the first car. The fact that you're getting it before I put it on mine is crazy.
When you're the fastest, that's what happens.
Okay. As you guys can't tell already, Sal is our Make-A-Wish kid. So his wish was to be part of the club
I've definitely made it.
Yeah.
because he was left out in school. Last one picked in recess.
This is gonna go in the video too.
Oh,
Looks great.
definitely crooked. Nah, I think we're good. I think we're good. That looks good though.
That was good.
Yeah, nice little simple, clean, like classic look on the sticker logo. That's what we were going for.